guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in, and if you're a return subscriber, obviously welcome back to another video. So like the title says, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I'm going to be walking you guys through my birthday makeup. So this is more of a watch and learn situation. I didn't really speak throughout the video, but if you would like more talk through tutorials, then do let me know and I can get that done for you. But for the most part of today, I literally showed you guys step by step everything I did. I also did show you guys all the products I used at the beginning, but if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and except from that, I will see you in my next video. Bye loves. So I started out with working on my base, the usual. Went in to do my eyebrows first. I did that off camera, and then I went in with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel just to set my eyebrows in place. And then I started working on my base. I like to use the e.l.f. foundation as a color corrector because it's more on a cool tone, and I do like my foundations on a warm tone. So I use this as a base and then I build my foundation on this, and then I went in with my Lancome foundation after to build up coverage. This has been like my updated makeup routine. I've been doing this since about November, December, and I've been loving it. Like the way I put my blush now is a bit different. I've gone for a more pink cool tone, like a Barbie pink or cool tone pink, which I always find like it just gives my look this elevated and snatched look. So yeah, I didn't go in with cream blush. I actually missed that step, but I ended up going in with my powder blush first, but it works regardless. And I do like to use powder only sometimes because I'm in Lagos. It's very, very hot, so the less cream products I have to use, the better for me. Next step is just the usual, baking my under eye, setting my powder. I really go in with my powder, and then, so I do put a lot of powder to set my face, and then instead of dusting the powder off, especially like my under eyes, my central points, I would just spray a lot of hydrating facial mist or a hydrating setting spray and like makeup mist, so that will make the powder that I've put under my eye like sit there but melt in. It wouldn't look ashy, but at the same time I'm not actually wiping it away because this is what's going to keep my face intact and give me a full beat all day. Powder under your eyes, you're going to set that with setting spray and melt it in, but you're not going to dust it off. That's the trick to what has been giving me that elevated, nice pink blushed out under eye without it looking like cakey, and it lasted me all day. So you want to set all your powders, spray with a mist, and then set your powders again and spray on top of that. So you're not actually wiping your powder away at the end of the day, you're just setting it with spray and getting it to melt into your skin. So your melting spray or setting spray is going to serve like water and it's going to melt the product into your skin, and that's how we're going to leave it. As you guys can see, by the time I finished doing my lashes and everything, you can see like my makeup looks like it's melted in, while in the previous clip I looked very ashy. Hey guys, so I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. We are done with makeup. I just need to do my lips. One sec. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup now. This is like a trial session ahead of my birthday in 2 days, because I'm taking pictures and I wanted to like do a trial run of my makeup before the actual day. So because I was trying out new makeup. I wanted to make sure I wasn't experimenting on my birthday and then hate my look, because that would have been a high chance, especially because I was using new products, so I was able to like try everything out. So yeah, I went for a silver look. I need to wash my nails though because they're dirty, but I got my nails done today. I just did my makeup. They're so cute. So my dress has like silver, grey, and like teal green. So I need to do my lips. I've lined, but I don't like the lip gloss I've put on, so I'm gonna wipe this off now. So I used my matte chestnut to line my lips, and my NYX I'm trying to look for it, Rebel Kind, very nice chocolate brown. I'm gonna go in again with my matte chestnut, and then a Maybelline matte pink and the filter gloss. I'm gonna mix these two together. This is a NYX shiny lip balm, fat oil something something. It's like fat oil slick click. You just like pump it up. So what I did was I set my face and then I used a melting spray just to melt the powders in, but I didn't wipe it away because I still want to have a full elevated look, but I didn't want to look dusty or ashy, if that makes sense. So this just brings all the warmth together, and I absolutely love how this look turned out. This is so cute. It's such a cute like peach cobbler, peachy pink. And then for the final, I'm gonna put like a light. I'm gonna put like a lip oil on the top. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush and just like go over. Okay guys, we are done. I love my makeup. Guys, I'm gonna go get my hair done off camera. I just need to take it out this net and style it. Ooh. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna go fix my hair off camera. I just need to touch it up a bit because it's been in a net. So just briefly, not too much though, too much to be done. Anyways, you get the gist. The makeup eats. I'm gonna go fix my hair and then see you guys later. This is the end of my makeup tutorial, my birthday look. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more makeup tutorials. I'm gonna try and do more makeup this year. I used to do a lot of makeup before, so yeah, hopefully this is the start of new makeup tutorials coming. Let me know if you enjoyed this. I absolutely love, obviously my hair's not done yet, like I'm gonna go and sort my curls out. I'm gonna try and insert clips after I've styled my hair, but in case I don't get to do that, then the makeup is done. Everything eats. I absolutely love. Altogether, my makeup routine ate. My makeup looked good, I looked good, I felt good. I was upset that I didn't get my pictures, which was very annoying. Nigerian photographers are just as bad as tailors, but we move. Either ways, I looked good. Everyone who saw my makeup told me my makeup was amazing and I felt amazing. So I'm just going to insert pictures of what my full glam looked like. And my look did come together. It did eat. I absolutely loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one.